नमस्ते दोस्तों। स्वागत है आपका आज के डेली इंग्लिश लर्निंग क्लास में। आज हम सीखेंगे एक सिंपल और यूज़फुल टॉपिक। मेरे साथ रिपीट कीजिए और कॉन्फिडेंट इंग्लिश बोलना स्टार्ट कीजिए।
Please help me.
Please help me.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Could you help me, please?
Could you help me, please?
I need your help.
I need your help.
Will you help me?
Will you help me?
Please give me some water.
Please give me some water.
Please pass me the salt.
Please pass me the salt.
Can you give me your pen?
Can you give me your pen?
Please open the door.
Please open the door.
Please close the window.
Please close the window.
Can you show me the way?
Can you show me the way?
Please come with me.
Please come with me.
Please wait for me.
Please wait for me.
Please call me later.
Please call me later.
Can you tell me the time?
Can you tell me the time?
Can you tell me your name?
Can you tell me your name?
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
Please explain it again.
Please explain it again.
I don't understand this.
I don't understand this.
Please teach me.
Please teach me.
Can you fix this?
Can you fix this?
Please carry this bag.
Please carry this bag.
Please lend me some money.
Please lend me some money.
Can you give me your phone?
Can you give me your phone?
Please write it down.
Please write it down.
Please read it for me.
Please read it for me.
Please repeat after me.
Please repeat after me.
Can you help me in homework?
Can you help me in homework?
Please check my notebook.
Please check my notebook.
Can you show me your book?
Can you show me your book?
Please turn on the light.
Please turn on the light.
Please turn off the fan.
Please turn off the fan.
Can you bring me a chair?
Can you bring me a chair?
Please clean the table.
Please clean the table.
Please come here.
Please come here.
Please stand up.
Please stand up.
Can you sit with me?
Can you sit with me?
Please wait outside.
Please wait outside.
Please don't make noise.
Please don't make noise.
Can you listen to me?
Can you listen to me?
Can you guide me?
Can you guide me?
Please help me to study.
Please help me to study.
Please tell me the truth.
Please tell me the truth.
Can you help me find my bag?
Can you help me find my bag?
Please hold this for me.
Please hold this for me.
Please help me in cooking.
Please help me in cooking.
Can you show me how to do this?
Can you show me how to do this?
Please remind me tomorrow.
Please remind me tomorrow.
Can you teach me English?
Can you teach me English?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
दोस्तों, एक छोटा सा टास्क, नीचे कमेंट करके लिखिए जो सेंटेंस आपको सबसे अच्छा लगा और प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आपको रोज़ाना इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलते रहें। धन्यवाद।